a lot of times people were wanting to give these books away.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it took some effort to go through them and filter through them, but for free, and I could turn around and flip it for as much as 40, 50, sometimes more, especially book sets. Oh my gosh.
Ryan is passionate about helping others discover their gifts and start their own business. He's published 5 books, and his courses and group coaching programs have changed the lives of thousands of students all over the world.
So, Carl, let's pick up with the used books, because that's something that's very low-hanging fruit. You said you found stuff for 25 cents and were able to sell it for a lot more than that. So talk about that business model. And
yeah, absolutely. So, I just looked around the house. I heard several people say, look around the house, look for things you can sell, especially used books. So that's what I did. My wife homeschooled her kids, so she constantly was giving me the evil eye every time I went towards her catalog, her library of her homeschool library.
You were taking stuff off the shelves and selling them?
I was kind of like sneaking them. I could just feel this glare on the back of my head, and I'm just slowly putting it back. But yeah, I was looking around the house, then I went to library sales, thrift stores. A lot of times people were wanting to give these books away. Yeah. I mean, it took some effort to go through them and filter through them, but for free, and I could turn around and flip it for as much as 40, 50, sometimes more, especially book sets. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
What better investment? Plus it gave me the freedom to learn how to sell, learn how to set up my shipments, and really just learn, take the time to learn.
Yeah. And you did it it wasn't that you had to go out and spend thousands of dollars to learn. You were finding stuff off your own shelf. So in essence, it was free.
Yes.
Or you were, even if you had to spend some money, it was 25 cents here, $1 here, a couple bucks here. Wow. That's awesome.
Yes, absolutely. And that's what really gave me the confidence. Once I sent these books in, started to see them sell, and actually started to see a profit. I'm like, okay, this works.
Yeah.
So in a community I'm in, it's very small, so books wasn't going to be sustainable. So I had to kind of just get outside my comfort zone and learn other types of arbitrage. Walking into places like Walmart and Target, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and just research. Learn the tools of the trade, so to speak, to develop a good business. So that's, where it all pretty much started and how, it evolved to where I'm at today.
Cool. What's your business look like right now? What kind of stuff are you doing? Are you still selling books or car parts or anything like that?
No, absolutely not. In fact, sometimes I kind of wish I'd get back into books just because of the return on investment potential. But no, it's actually, we do merely what's called replenishable inventory, where we can buy at retail. We don't have to worry about clearance prices. We don't have to worry about sales. Of course, when they are on sale, that's gravy. But this is replenishable inventory that we can buy and sell consistently. This has really developed a good foundation for our business, because we know these products will sell, based on the data we've looked at. And it's consistent. It has really allowed us to develop a solid foundation, scale the business where I can have multiple shoppers shop for me. I just give them a list and say, hey, go to this store or these stores. Here's the products we need. Here's the quantities that we need. Go shop and go have fun.
Wow. So you're not even having to do this on your own?
No.
Oh my goodness.
I haven't touched a product in probably a year in terms of shopping. And I love it.
Hey, Ryan Rieger here. If you're looking for proven real strategies for making money online, then grab my book, Streams of Income. In it, I detail the 3 main ways to make money online. And these are strategies that students of mine all over the world are using to make real money. And the best part is these are strategies that you can get started with $0 and 0 experience. So if you'd like a free copy of my book, Streams of Income, check out the link in the description below.